In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset n8n password. We'll walk through changing your password from inside your n8n account, which is the fastest way if you're already signed in. If you've completely forgotten your current password, use the Forgot Password link on the sign-in page instead. Otherwise, follow along here. Start in your n8n workspace. From the main dashboard, head to the Workflows area so you're on the standard home screen. This just makes the navigation consistent with what you'll see next. Look down to the bottom left of the screen and open Settings. Settings is where your account and workspace controls live, and it's the right place for anything related to security and authentication. Inside Settings, choose Personal. This section is specifically for your own user profile rather than workspace-wide changes. Once you're there, go to the Security area. You should see options tied to login and password. This is where you can update your credentials safely. Click Change Password to begin. n8n will ask you to verify your identity by entering your current password first. Type your current password carefully. If it doesn't match, the change won't go through, so double check capitalization and any symbols. Next, enter your new password. Aim for something strong and unique. Mix upper and lower case letters, numbers, and symbols, and avoid anything easy to guess. A phrase you can remember, enhanced with substitutions and punctuation, often works well. If n8n shows a strength indicator, use it as a guide and adjust until you see a strong rating. Consider using a password manager so you don't have to remember complex strings. Now, re-enter the new password exactly the same in the confirmation field. This prevents typos from locking you out. If copy and paste helps with accuracy, use it, but make sure you didn't accidentally include a space at the beginning or end. When everything looks good, click Change Password to save. You should see a confirmation that the update worked. If there's an error, check that your current password was correct and that the new one meets any length or complexity rules. After changing your password, some devices or sessions may require you to sign in again, which is normal and helps keep your account secure. That's it. You've successfully updated your n8n password from the security section of your personal settings. For extra protection, consider enabling additional security options available in your account. And remember to update your password manager so you don't lose access later.